I love coffee. I've been drinking it most of my life, and I drink coffee the way that other people drink, I don't know, soda or juice or even water. I'm always looking for new coffee. I'm looking for different flavors. I'm looking to kind of mix it up a little bit. Coffee is my favorite drink, but I do like to vary it a little bit. So today I am going to be trying the Lavazza Espresso Italiano K-Cup. This is just one of many different flavors of coffee that Lavazza has. Their coffee is roasted in Italy, and in this case it is packaged into K-cups and shipped all over the world. Lavazza has been roasting coffee in Torino, Italy since 1895. Reading the box, it says it has a 5 out of 10 intensity. It is a medium roast, and it also says that it is both aromatic and velvety. It says Espresso Italiano is a 100% Arabica blend perfected by Lavazza to produce a rich, classic Italian espresso. However, we're brewing it. We're not using it through an espresso machine. For the truest espresso flavor, brew it at the smallest cup size. We're going to be brewing it at about an 8 ounce. That's the smallest cup size that this thing produces. Let's go ahead and make ourselves a cup of coffee, shall we? I can tell you right off the bat, it smells really good. And it is good. Good coffee taste. It does have a very smooth mouthfeel to it. It doesn't have any of that roughness that you get with some espresso roasts. It's Lavazza Espresso Italiano coffee. I'm glad that I bought it. I'm glad that I tried it. And I'm glad that I was able to show it to you guys. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. That helps me a lot on YouTube. Leave a comment. I want to know what kind of coffee you guys drink. Do you use a K-Cup brewer? Do you use a V60 brewer? Do you make espresso for yourself with an espresso brewer of some kind? Let me know. I want to find out. It helps me with these videos. And as always, between now and the next time I see you guys, I want to wish you a good day. I want to wish you a good year. And I want to wish you a good life.